If your Buick Enclave 2024-2025 suddenly has a black infotainment screen, no sound, or even missing turn signal audio, you're not alone. Many owners have reported intermittent display failures and complete audio dropouts. General Motors has acknowledged the issue in Dealer Bulletin PIT 6362, and in most cases, it's linked to software instability rather than permanent hardware failure. The good news is, you can try a few safe resets before heading to the dealership. Important steps. 1. Check the basics. Make sure the system isn't muted and volume is turned up using the steering wheel controls. 2. Perform a soft reboot by holding the hang up end call button on the steering wheel for 10 to 12 seconds until the system restarts. 3. If the issue continues, turn off the vehicle and remove the infotainment and amplifier fuses for 3 to 5 minutes, then reinstall them. 4. Connect to Wi-Fi and go to Settings, then Vehicle Software, then check for updates to install any available patches. 5. Inspect for obvious issues like loose wiring or signs of moisture around the display area.